Hello and welcome to KindyTV. Today we're going to be looking at Disney's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let's take a look at the funny Firehouse. Well, we've taken it out of the box and set it up. It's a really big playset. It's a double-sided playset. Double-sided means that it has two sides to play with. So you can play with this side at the back of the fire station, and then you can turn it around and play with the front of it as well. You also get a little fire car or fire truck. It has a little ladder on the back that you can use. It has this really cool ladder with like Mickey's feet and Mickey's hands up the top. And here is Pluto looking out for all the trouble. So if we just give him a, I'm not sure which way it goes, but if we give him a, whoa, now that was pretty fast. Let's try that again. So start Pluto from the top. We just make sure he's going the right way. And whoa! That is a pretty cool ride. We also get two little fires that we can put out. And this over here has this little handle on the back. And you can put the fire out. And this is Mickey Mouse. He's got his fireman uniform on and his hat. Looks like he has a little phone there in his hand. This accessory that he has is a green megaphone in the shape of his Mickey Mouse ears. We'll put him up the top here. You can go up his ladder. Doo, 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 doo. Mickey Mouse has gone up into the command center. Let's pop you out the way for a second, Mickey, so we can have a look. Looks like up here we've got a computer with some information. This is where all the information about the incoming fires come into. So when Mickey gets a call about a fire, he'll say, "Come on, Pluto, it's time to go." Pluto will then go down the fireman's pole. Ooh, that's super fast. Well, I've turned the playset around and you can see the really big fireman's hat on the top, and if you press the button, it makes that nice siren sound. Wow, let's do that again. And Mickey and Pluto are now going to slide down the big green slide so they can hop into their fire truck. Your turn, Mickey. Okay, let's open up the front door and get our fire truck out for Mickey and Pluto. Mickey's legs fold up so that he can sit in the fire truck and drive it around. Now there's not an actual spot for Pluto to sit down, but I think if you just fold out the ladder carefully, Pluto will probably be able to have a seat up there somewhere. There we go. Wouldn't be able to drive around fast with him like that though. He'll fall off probably. Let's hope there's not a real fire that turns up. Well, Mickey and Pluto are hanging about waiting to see if any emergencies come about, when all of a sudden Mickey gets a call. "Oh yes, I'll be right on my way. Quick, Pluto! Minnie's Play-Doh's on fire!" "I'll get the fire engine." "Pluto, you bring the water." House is on fire! Quick, Pluto, quick! Good work, Pluto! We saved the day! We saved Minnie's Play-Doh stash! Come on, old buddy! I'll give you a ride home! Now, if you'd like to see more toy reviews and stories from KindyTV, please remember to press the big subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.